Today we're gonna make this beautiful lemon blueberry bundt cake. To get started on making our bundt cake, we first preheated the oven to 350 degrees. We have our bundt pan here, Pam to spray that, and now we're gonna get started with all our ingredients. So first, our dry ingredients: flour, 2.5 cups of flour, and we're gonna add to that 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So here are dry ingredients. Give them a little toss and they're ready. Leave them set aside. So now with our wet ingredients, I have our KitchenAid here. Look how pretty this orange KitchenAid is. I've tagged this so that you guys can purchase a KitchenAid at home, and I'll tag it on my Amazon store as well. So now our wet ingredients, we have 2 sticks of butter, softened, so room temp, and we're gonna mix that with our sugar. Okay, so we've done that until it's nice and fluffy, and now next our eggs. So for our eggs, I'm gonna always crack them in another dish first before adding them. We're gonna add them one at a time. So we've combined our eggs. Next we have lemon zest and lemon juice. So first we're gonna do our lemon zest. Now that we've zested the lemon, we're also gonna juice the lemon. So we need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which is about this entire lemon here. So we're gonna just juice that. So let's mix this up. So now that's all mixed together. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients slowly and our buttermilk. So we're gonna alternate. First, we're gonna do some of our dry. Now that I've added some of the dry, I'm gonna do a little bit of the buttermilk. And some more dry. So now I'm gonna finish the rest of the buttermilk into the mixture. And we're gonna end with adding the remaining dry ingredients. So this is all mixed together, and we're ready for our last ingredient, our blueberries. And now we're gonna fold in the blueberries. So we have about 1.5 cups of blueberries. I'm using fresh, you can use frozen as well. We're just gonna fold them in to the mixture. And now we're gonna take our bundt pan here and spray it. And now we're gonna pour our mixture into the bundt pan. Perfect, look at that. Okay, we're gonna stick this in the oven. We're gonna stick this in the oven for about an hour. We'll keep eye on it after 50 minutes. So we've taken our cake out of the oven. We have let this cool. And so now we're gonna flip it onto a cake dish. So you wanna make sure the cake dish is bigger than the bundt pan. We're gonna flip it. See? Oh, it looks so beautiful. Okay, we need it to cool a little bit more. So for our icing, we're gonna do 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Take this, whisk this together to make this little lemony icing. So now that our icing is ready, look at that. Just gonna ice the cake. It's gonna fall organically down the bundt cake. and add a little bit more sweetness and a little lemon to this bundt cake. Look at that. Can't wait to dig into this one. Looks amazing. Oh, look at that. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.